Recently, the education cell of Hynniewtrep Achik National Movement has requested the Chief Secretary of Meghalaya to encourage the state government to allow job aspirants to appear for any recruitment examination in local languages like Khasi and Garo. The president of the Hanm, Lamphrang Kharbani, who had met Chief Secretary D.P Wahlang on 16 September 2022, informed that the state government of Meghalaya should take up with the central government the issue of importance of language. Kharbani further opined that the state or local languages should be greatly valued, as this is the only way that central leadership will speed up the process of inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th Schedule of the Indian Constitution.
Ba kentu ya I ba insinkhia ba ne kan bat kasukar padeng ba kum kitari tremulok pane Khasi bat karo ban tho ya kilo ki interbelo ne ki exam daga tin lejong nomor pi ngi suto ladangi kum kajat ban rewa ngi kum kajala Meghalaya ngim burom ya lejong ka riti gustor ngim burom ya lejong ka tin kamot kumno ngin expect ba ka sarkar hi kan penrung ik Khasi syaga official wat jong constitution ng India te ngila kentu yi ba ban sim kilak lenti ban tho exam ya kakten Khasi berkaro haki school but board ya jingtho examen CBSE tikaseng kala ya discuss la ya thir la tai ba to ka si akam raju I but ma ilu yong bagre senun kong ba hiseng balang diwan mandawa ya kane ka mat ka ban kamtam hangi benreu but ngismo singan kumge benreu namar ba I Chief Secretary jungi I badai hi I parari I padropusnam I don ni juga thong but yong ba kane de kabu ya ka jong jalan manga ngadai urun mensim ha bakakten Khasi berkaro kamtam ten Khasi jungi bahkan kan rungno habubun ki exam habubun ki interview bo per ban sim khia ne ban sim ji kle ban yakan bakasukar preng kum juro ia u shongknor ka Central Board of School Education ane ka CBSE badai penrung ek ten Khasi ban tho hak examen na bantagi khna ba pule high school but botru ye gijing paniai jong ka CBSE